Today I'm going to show you how can you make an attractive intro video for a YouTube channel, that free of cost, using your mobile. Shall we go? First, open the Google Play Store and search for Animoto Video Maker. Right there it search Animoto Video Maker and download it. As I have already downloaded it, it is showing open. So I'm opening this application from my mobile. After opening it, click on the pencil icon at the top. So you will get an interface like this: change style, change songs, add photo and video, and add text. First click on change style. Here you will get so many styles. Wow, you see how many styles are there. So choose one as per your need. Suppose you are traveling country to country to explore the lifestyle of primitive tribes. So choose which fits for you. Wow, I think this is a good one for such theme. So click over it and now click over the pencil icon again. Now you have to change the song or background music. If you click over this, you will enter into a treasury of musics and instrumental. Now choose a song or music as per your need. Search it. Yes, click over it. I think this one is fit for this type of vlog. Then after that, click over the pencil icon again and you can add now photos and video files. You see, photos are now uploaded. Now click on the pencil icon again to add texts. Here you add your text as you want. I am writing here over the title, it is travelogue, and as it is exploring primitive tribes, I am adding subtitle primitive tribes. Now click on the tick mark and arrange the text photo in a required sequence. You see, I am arranging that one. Which fits for you, you can arrange as per your need. And finally, click on the top right hand side arrow mark. It is important. Now click on the top right hand side arrow mark. Yes, see, now it is producing your video. You can change the name in the meantime of your video. You see, I am writing here introduce. So you give your name. You see, now it is preparing, and wow, see, within 5 minutes you have done an attractive intro for your YouTube channel. If this video is helpful for you, like this, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.